Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Leetcode problem 647, palindromic substrings. So it's basically the same as Leetcode problem number 5, longest palindromic substrings. So here is just needed to count how many there are. For example, there are 3 A, B, and C. For example, here 6. Yeah. And let me first explain it in whiteboard and then go to the code editor to finish the coding. For example, this is AAA. So what am I going to do? And I'm going to use two pointers. For example, I'm going to set a pointer, this pointer, and then go to the left and right to check if it is a palindrome. At the same time, I'm going to count it. Yeah, if you check my Leetcode problem number 5 videos, you will know, yeah, see clearly how I'm going to do it. So this is for one situation. I'm going to check I'm going to tackle like the first position. I'm going to use li as only one. This is odd. The I can also go to here. Yeah, and this pointer, for example, I'm going to define this I. This I can also go to here, this position. Yeah, so I'm going to go to the left and right to see how many there are. But there's also another case. I'm going to define a pointer ig. Yeah, so for this one, I'm going to take two together. Otherwise, I will miss a lot of situations. So for ig, I and I plus 1. So I and I plus 1. It means the next two. So this is in the even situation. I'm going to check. Yeah, so it means AA is a result. And then I'm going to this side and that side. Of course, there's no. And then I'm going to shift it to this AA. It's another result. Yeah. And also for the single, so here for the I plus 1, this is one situation. It means I will take two characters at the same time, I plus 1, AA, and another AA. If I take single characters I, for example, I at the first place, it will be only A, and then I go to the middle, it will be A and A with three A's. Yeah, and the I can go to here, it is A. So this means if I only use I, normally this is the odd case. So the result will be like how many A's? It will be the odd case. If I take I plus 1, it is the even case. There. So I will check all the odd case and even cases of the palindromic characters and check how many of them, and then return the result. Now let me go to the code editor to finish the coding. So first of all, I'm going to define a variable n as the length of the string because I'm going to use it many times. And then I'm going to define a helper function. So this helper function inside it will be L and R. The helper function will return a result, how many characters for each of the loop. Yeah, but before the helper, let me write the main function first. So for I in range, I'm going to check all the indexes. So I in range n, so my result will plus the helper I. This is for the odd situation, and then plus the even situation is I plus 1. And finally, I'm going to return the result. Yeah, so the result would be defined as 0 because I'm going to count it. And here, for the helper, I'm going to define a count as 0. And finally, I'm going to return this count. And then I'm going to write the count function. It will be a while loop. So while L more than and equal to 0 and R less than this n, and if they are equal, SL equal to SR, so I'm going to count plus 1. At the same time, L will be minus 1 and R will be plus 1 because I'm going to check how many of them and then go out of the loop. Yeah, because R plus 1, L plus 1, it will go out of the loop. Now let me run it to check if it really works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, you can see that it passed all the testing cases, and the time complexity is O(n) squared. As we can see that n is not a big number, it is 1000, so it means it is okay because here is O(n), and this helper function is also O(n) because it's just a while loop. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this. See you next time.